I think the cyber business is one of the most ignored businesses. But I think if someone really did that job, that opened that business with the right strategy, it is a business that can actually make a person a lot of money.
A lot.
Yeah, because where do you get your movies from?
Right now, you have Netflix.
Yeah.
But maybe a few years back, we used to go and get them in a movie shop. And actually, would make a line because everyone wants a movie. Or maybe playing video games.
Yeah.
I would stay the whole day.
Yeah, I think even right now people have actually realized that even in a cyber you can you can open many sub businesses because you can open a cyber at the same time it's a movie shop, at the same time you're taking passports, at the same time you are printing photocopies. Yeah, it's a business that actually can be expandable. Like
and also an M-Pesa, we talked about that.
Yeah, you can also incorporate an M-Pesa inside a cyber. So hello guys, welcome to Biztalk. This is a channel where we talk about businesses and we give you insights and tips on how to run, manage and start businesses. We also give you tips on how to go looking for, how do you conduct job interviews, how do you as the interviewee, how do you respond to questions that we'll be asked in a job interview. So we also touch here and there about jobs and career, give advice on regarding career. So today I want us to talk about how do you start a cyber shop.
Yeah.
So what are the steps? Because people have been asking, I'm interested, I just left home for, or maybe I just finished KCSE, and I don't know, before I start figuring out on really what do I want to do, I want to start a cyber. So they have been asking, how do I go about it?
Yeah.
And now I decided, let me help you. We got you because we got these things. So one of the steps that you need when starting a cyber is you need to develop a business plan. Because I think a business plan is very essential.
Very, very essential.
Because how do you start a business without a plan?
Yeah, you don't know what to expect into the business. You just dive in. It's not trial and error.
Yeah.
Because you're involving your money.
Yeah, so it's good to have a business plan because it will give you the goals, your objectives, you know how to manage your finances, what are the strategies you need to use. Then another thing that you need to have or do when starting a cyber business is you need to secure financing. And I think there are many ways you can get funds to start a shop.
Nowadays, you can get loan. We have even apps that are giving out loans.
Yeah, I think I know some like Tala, Zenka. I don't know if Zenka is a...
Yeah, even KCB and cooperative funds.
Yeah, even you can actually you can even get these funds from your family.
Yeah, or you go to church, just tell them to raise funds for you.
Yeah, you will always have someone who will support you if you have a vision on starting a shop.
Yeah.
And then the next thing, you need to register your business because I don't think in Kenya it's illegal to run a business if you don't have the necessary licenses.
Yeah, it's not even wise.
Yeah, you find yourself most of the times you're in problems because you don't have the
government.
With the government because you don't have the...
And they know how to do that job.
Yeah, so...
You'll just be finding them there in the morning when you open.
Yeah, where is the license?
License, please. And they spend a week.
Yeah, so it's good, it's really advisable to have a license. So go and research which types of licenses do you need when starting a cyber shop.
Yeah, they are cheap.
They are very cheap to start, actually to acquire. And then after that, develop a website because where you need somewhere you can actually showcase your services. What do you do? People want to know.
Yeah.
You know, because you really don't expect to be explaining to everyone that I do this apart from this, I do lamination, I do... Our website is a good way of marketing.
Yeah, because a lot of people, as we said in another video, you have clients that are coming to your shop physically, and you have another whole half that we look for your product online. So why not also look for cater for the needs for people who are looking online. Yeah.
Then after that you source your products, and when we're talking about your products, we are talking about the material or the equipment that you need in a cyber. I think we're going to do a video on the things you really need when starting a cyber, because I think it's something that some people should, before you start a business, it's something that someone should have an idea on what do you really need. So the next video we will do a video on what are the things that you really need when starting a cyber. Then after that, you need to market your business. We always emphasize that marketing is key. Because if you don't market your business, no one will actually realize that you have a business.
Or maybe a few will, because maybe they live in your location. But a lot of people, trust me, they will be looking for that business maybe online, and they won't find. But if you market, you have a very high chance of getting a lot of clients.
Yeah. So those are the steps that you need when starting a cyber business. I hope they have been helpful to you. If you maybe we have missed a step, that maybe if you have already opened a cyber business and we have missed a step, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll be sure to read it out.
Yeah, exactly. And if you also maybe want to gain a lot more skills in details on how to run and manage a business, you can enroll for a course at Fistock University College, where they have experts that show you every single details you need to know before starting.
Yeah.
So visit their website www.fistockuniversity.com or email info@fistockuniversity.com. They also have a customer care you can call 0703 313 722.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Show your love by commenting, by liking. You can subscribe. Make sure it's not you can.
Yeah.
Make sure that you do subscribe.
I don't know why people don't. It's free actually.
Yeah, subscribe, support. Support even upcoming businesses.
Yeah.
Support us so that we can support you. And share the video. It has been proven to be essential. It has proven to be of help to you. You can share the video to other people so that it can also be helpful to them. And of all, make sure that you comment. Yeah, because we love reading your feedback. We love reading what you have and what are other videos that maybe someone may want us to do. Yeah.
So that is it, guys. Until next time.
Goodbye.